Students, now we are going to discuss what is shadow. Shadow is not an image. What happens, in my hand you can see there is a mobile and I am using the mobile light. There is a beauty in the mobile light that it has a single LED. That means it is a point source, it acts as a point source. If it is not a point source, then you cannot get a clear shadow. What is shadow? That on the path of the light, if there is an obstruction, so behind the obstruction, if there is a screen, there will be a part in the screen where you cannot receive any light, and that portion which is devoid of any light is called shadow. But it depends on the orientation, shape, size, etc. Now we are going to show you the shadow of a Buddha image. There is a Buddha image here. I am putting this light in front of it. I will not move the mobile, and you can see here that you see clearly the image of the Buddha is visible. Now if I take it away from the light, you see that gradually the image size is reducing, and if I put it absolutely in contact with the screen, then Buddha image will be almost same. Again, if I bring it near the source, the size of the Buddha Murti will go on increasing. And one thing you remember, this is also another proof of the rectilinear propagation of light. Why? The light from a point source is coming on the top and it reaches there. If you put a thread or a scale here, then you will find absolutely this is in a straight line. And also, if you know this distance and this height, and if you go there, if you know the distance and height, and this height and this distance, they will be related as a similar triangle. So this can be an experiment for mathematics also. How similar triangles are related with each other. That means with the Buddha Murti somewhere here, this is one triangle and there is another triangle here. So we will find the angles and sides, they are all proportional to each other. So this is an experiment for shadow. Now you see, if I rotate it, the shape of the shadow is changing. There are some expert people who can use their fingers. They can use their fingers to produce some kind of heron or the dog, whatever you say. Ears are moving, their mouth is moving, but I am not an expert. The expert people can produce beautiful images, various type of images, but they are all shadows from a source. Thank you.